Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mutiara Aisyah. My student ID is 25140004 and I'm from Logistic 1B, Logistic Oil and Gas. So today I will present to you about logistic oil and gas. The logistic of oil and gas is about how oil and natural gas are moved from where they are found to where people use them. It is a very important system because many parts of daily life depend on oil and gas, such as transportation, electricity, and industry. Logistics includes many activities like moving, storing, and delivering oil and gas in a safe and efficient way. First, the process starts with exploration and production. Oil and gas are usually found deep underground or under the sea. Companies must send workers, mechanics, and equipment to these locations. This is not easy because the place can be very far away and difficult for reach. For example, offshore oil rigs need ships and helicopters to transport workers and supplies. Good planning is needed so everything arrives in time and the work can continue smoothly. After oil and gas are taken from the ground, they need to be transported. One of the most common ways to move oil is through pipelines. Pipelines are long tubes that carry oil over long distance. They are efficient and can move large amounts of oil continuously. However, building pipelines is expensive and they must be maintained carefully. Besides pipelines, oil can also transport by ships, trains, and trucks. Ships are used for international transport, while trucks are often used for shorter distance. Natural gas is a bit different. It can be transported through pipelines, but it can also be turned into liquid form called LNG, liquefied natural gas. When gas becomes liquid, it takes up less space and is easier to transport by ship. However, this process requires special equipment and very low temperatures, so it's more complex. The next step is storage. Oil and gas are stored in large tanks or underground facilities before being sent to refiners or customers. Storage is important to make sure there is always enough supply, even if demand changes. For example, if people need more fuels, the stored oil can be used quickly. Then comes the refining process. Crude oil is processed in refineries to produce useful products like gasoline, diesel, and jet fuel. After that, these products are distributed to different places such as gas stations, airports, and factories. This stage also needs good logistic planning to make sure products arrive on time and at the right amount. Safety is very important parts of oil and gas logistics. Oil and gas are dangerous materials, so they must be handled carefully. Companies use strict safety rules to prevent accidents like leaks, fires, or explosions. Workers are trained to follow procedures and use protective equipment. Emergency plans are also prepared in case something goes wrong. Environmental protection is also important if oil spills or gas leaks happen. They can harm nature and animals. Because of this, companies try to reduce risk by using better technology and following environmental regulations. Many companies are also trying to use cleaner and more sustainable methods. Technologies help makes logistics easier and more efficient. For example, companies use computers and tracking systems to monitor shipments in real time. System uh, Sensors can detect problems early, such as leaks in pipelines. This helps prevent accidents and reduce losses. Data is also used to plan better routes and manage supplies and demand. In addition, oil and gas logistics often involve many countries. Oil is traded globally, so it must be transported across our ocean and borders. This means companies must follow international rules and work together with other countries. Sometimes political issues can affect the supply and transportation of oil and gas. In conclusion, oil and gas logistics is a long and complex process, but it's very important for everyday life. It, fo- it involves many steps, including production, transportation, storage, refinery, and distribution. With good planning, safety measures, and technology, oil and gas can be delivered efficiently to meet the needs of people around the world. So, that's my knowledge about logistic oil and gas. I hope you guys enjoy my video about logistic oil and gas. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.